Okay, are you ready? So 3, 2, 1. So why does photographers actually count 3, 2, 1? So the main thing is that the flash has a refresh time. So with this, the Yongnuo YN685 that we got on here is an affordable flash. Even though it looks like a professional speed light, it's quite affordable. However, the refresh rate isn't that fast. So when we have this on full power and we take a picture now and we take picture directly, it doesn't flash until it finally refreshes, and now it's fully refreshed and we can take another picture that flashes again. So that is the main thing, is why they are counting down, is actually avoiding to say to the person that they're taking photo of that they are actually waiting for the flashes to recharge. However, with actual professional flashes like the one from Profoto, the Profoto A1, it has a really extreme refresh rate, and that can flash continuously and much better refresh rate than these affordable flashes. Even like flashes from Canon, they also have a quite slow refresh rate. So often you will need to do that countdown to enable you to be sure you can take the next photo. However, there are also certain flashes that has a much slower refresh rate, and you want to add a few extra sentences to extend the time, like, are you ready? And okay, 1, 2, 3, and cheese. And that will give you about 5 seconds to let your flash recharge. So that was mainly it. Hopefully you guys find this video quite educational. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button here below, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.